swing to the left. Pop my trunk for a fat pat's death. I would give my last breath if I could bring you back. Bring Swoop back, not a fact, bring the whole crew back. Only God can do that, so I'ma leave it alone. Moving on, moving to this soothing song. I'm cruising along, still got a screw tape on, still in the zone. Wishing Corey Blunt was home, riding on chrome, banging with my bug lights on. Riding home, southeast of the Astrodome, on Fat Pat's clone. His legacy carries on, his heartbeat pumps through my flesh and bone. Flipping with Trey, rolling down MLK, he's blue over gray. I'm tipping selling deuce today, it's Dub K, chiefing on some lovely, and we on the boulevard acting ugly. My type of nature, my understanding is nothing stacks in the back of a lack on this glass. You finna see me strip, cutting corners on a daily basis. Move fast like Kanye with samples when I be chasing faces. I'm on the tip like a waiter when I be lean to the left. I roll the city through the dark with a feel for bumpers and bills. Or maybe in the Impala 67 Chevy be spinning. Invisible set displayed every time they catching me grin. Off in they face and ain't too much that they can do to a T, but try to hate me every second due to the fact who I be. And it don't bother me, cause I still be topping my game. Just don't come off inside of my range, I might be leaving a stain. Whether my slab or beam, gon' respect that we gangsta. T-shirt and Dickies plus the kicks that I lace up for you wanksters. Every day is still the same, I be slow loud when I bang. And thanks to Screw and PAT, we got them digging our slang, huh? That's that 6'6" long dick, slim nigga sticking your chick. Pulling tricks, looking slick at all times when I'm flipping. Bar sipping, car dipping, Grantwood grain gripping. Still tipping on four rapping, four rapping, four hoes, and no hacking, slow flow, endo, GameCube, Nintendo, 5% tint, so you can't see up in my window. These niggas don't understand me, cause I'm boss hog on candy. Top down at Maxis with a big Glock 9 handy. Pieced up, creased up, stand dressed to impress. Big boss belt buckle under my Michelin S. Oh, Gucci shades up on my braids when I escalade. When I'm riding spree wheel sliding like a Escapade. I got it made, the big boss of the North. Ain't shit changed, I still represent Swisher House. I'm tipping, wood grain I'm gripping, catch me line switching with the paint dripping. Turn your neck and your day ain't missing. Me and Slim, we ain't tripping, I'm figure flipping and stir sipping like do or die, I'm pole pimping. Car stop, rims keep spinning, I'm flipping drop with invisible tops. Hoes bob with my drop, step out, I'm shaking the block with 4 18s.